Passive income is the dream for many, earning money with minimal effort, providing the freedom to live life on your terms. It's the income that keeps flowing even when you're not clocking in, from dividends in the stock market to rental income from property, and even royalties from your creative endeavors. It's the cornerstone of financial independence, and today, we're going to show you how to build it. Let's start with dividend stocks. These are the golden tickets of the stock market, shares in companies that pay out a slice of their profits to you, the shareholder. The trick is to find those reliable companies, the ones with a solid history of paying dividends. Reinvest those dividends, hold on to those stocks, and watch as your portfolio becomes a well-oiled passive income machine. Next up, rental properties, the classic real estate play. It's all about finding the right property in the right location, one that tenants will clamor to rent, providing you with a steady stream of income. It's not just about buying a property. It's about understanding the market, the yield, and the long-term potential. Get it right, and you've got yourself a passive income powerhouse. The digital world is ripe with opportunity, and starting an online business could be your ticket to passive income. E-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital products, the options are endless. Find your niche, set up shop, and use the power of the internet to draw in customers. With some smart strategy and a bit of hard work up front, your online business can become a source of income that works for you around the clock. For the creatives out there, your art could be more than just a passion. It could be your passive income stream. Write a book, compose a tune, create digital art, and let the royalties roll in. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, and music streaming services can take your work global, turning your creativity into a continuous source of income. Building passive income streams is more than just a financial strategy. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about taking control of your financial future, diversifying your income sources, and reinvesting to grow your wealth. Whether through stocks, real estate, online ventures, or your creative talents, the path to financial freedom is paved with passive income. Remember, the key is to start, stay consistent, and keep building. Here's to your financial freedom. May your passive income streams flow ever in your favor.